You cleaned this room yesterday. Everything is in its place. So why does it still feel cluttered? It's not about how much stuff you have, it's about how it's arranged. And most of us are making the same 5 mistakes without even knowing it. Today we fix all of that. And you won't spend a single dollar doing it. Here's something most people don't know. Visual clutter activates stress hormones in the brain. It doesn't matter if the room is technically, if your eye has nowhere to rest, stays tense. Remove the visual noise, both relax. And you don't need to redecorate. You just need to rearrange. A living room that feels calm isn't emptier than yours. It's just organized around different principles. 5 specific mistakes create almost all living room clutter. Fix them here and the room transforms without moving much at all. Let's go through them one by one. Myth 1. The more seating you have, the cozier the room feels. This is the #1 mistake I see. Every extra piece of furniture your eye doesn't need is visual weight it has to carry. More furniture doesn't add warmth, it adds work. This corner turned out exactly as I wanted. Simple, clean, and very cozy. Myth 2. An empty shelf looks bare. Fill it up. No. A shelf that's too full looks like a storage unit, not a home. Negative space on a shelf isn't emptiness. It's breathing room. It's what makes the things you keep actually visible. Finding space is about finding peace. Every object should have its own place. Myth 3. Your rug should match your sofa so the room looks coordinated. Matching creates monotony. Monotony reads as when everything is the same tone, your eye can't find a resting point. Contrast actually calms a room down because it gives your eye somewhere to land. You know, choosing the right rug really transformed our space. This one is perfect. Myth 4. One overhead light handles the whole room. Overhead lighting is the fastest way to make a living room feel like a waiting room. Layered light, a floor lamp here, a table lamp there, breaks the room into warm zones. It's the same room, it just feels completely different. I've got to tell you, this lamp, it's truly changed the whole vibe of the room. Myth 5. Pile on the cushions. The more the better. Cushions are the decor equivalent of clutter hiding in plain sight. 3 cushions intentionally placed feel curated. 8 cushions feel like you couldn't make a decision. Less is not sparse, less is confident. It's exactly what I wanted. These cushions really complete the whole room. I couldn't be happier with the result. If this is starting to make sense, stick around, because what comes next is the one thing that ties all of this together. And it's the reason some living rooms feel like home the moment you walk in sad, and others never quite get there. Here's what's actually happening in living rooms that feel calm and spacious. It's not fewer things. It's intentional things. Every object in a calm room was chosen, not bought because it was on sale. Clutter isn't about quantity. It's about objects that never got a decision made about them. Walk through your living room today and ask about each thing. Does this earn its place? If the answer isn't yes, yes, it goes. That question alone will do more for your living room than any purchase you could make. Hi there. 3 things you can do in the next 30 minutes to improve your day are to step outside, write down a small goal, and reach out to someone you care about. Clear one surface completely, then put back only 2 things. Just 2. See how the whole room shifts around that one decision. One surface, 2 objects. That's the whole tip. Add one lamp to a dark corner, not overhead there, corner. Warm bulb, low height. It will change the entire mood of the room after dark. With one lamp, this room becomes a cozy haven. Just look at that glow. Go to your most crowded shelf and remove 1/3 of everything on it. Don't replace anything, just remove. Then step back. You'll be surprised what was always there a time. You just couldn't see it before. Before you close this video, I want to give you one challenge. Walk into your living room right now. Pick up one thing out, just one thing out that doesn't have a real reason to be there. Put it in another room. Or put it away. Or put it in a box for donation. Just that one thing. Then tell me in the comments, what did you move? I read every single one. A living room that feels calm isn't decorated differently from yours. It's just been edited. And editing doesn't cost anything. It just takes a decision. It's just been edited. If this helped, subscribe. We put out a new video every week. And practical home ideas, real changes, no fluff. See you next one.